I'm Nevada criminal defense attorney Michael Becker with the Las Vegas Defense Group. In Nevada, you have the right to carry a concealed firearm, but you must have a valid CCW permit to do so legally. The process to obtain a permit is straightforward, but requires strict adherence to the rules. There are 3 steps in order to get approved for a CCW in Nevada. 1. You must be at least 21 years old, or 18 if you are in the military, and you cannot have any felony convictions or a history of violent crimes. 2. You must complete an approved firearm safety course from a certified instructor and show competency with a firearm. And 3. You must submit an application in person at your local sheriff's office, where you will pay the non-refundable $99 application fee and allow the sheriff's department to run a background check. If you pass the background check and meet all the qualifications, the sheriff's office has 120 days to approve your application. But there are many reasons someone could fail the background check and be disqualified from obtaining their CCW permit, such as a DUI or drug conviction in the past 5 years, a medical marijuana prescription, a dishonorable discharge from the armed services, or if they are not a legal resident of the United States. Carrying a concealed weapon without a valid permit is a Category C felony in Nevada, with a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison if convicted. So it is essential to follow the correct legal process. If you or a loved one has been arrested for a firearms offense, don't wait. Call us immediately for a free consultation at Las Vegas Defense Group to discuss your case. We will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.